going.
Okay, Anthony, you're producing content right now.
Hello there, and welcome to our first unboxing video. Earlier today, my dad and I picked up this insane box, but I can't open it. So.
Uh-oh. We can't pan over to the left, because you'll see illegal things.
Pan over to the right.
You'll see all of our drugs.
Good scratch. Hey.
I got Mr. Slicey over here.
Oh, it's Mr. Slicey.
Don't kill us, YouTube, please.
Mr. Slicey is a crutch for bad unboxers.
We're gonna get demonetized for having a knife in this video.
Oh, hey, don't.
Well, Mom, it's okay for us to have drugs on YouTube now, because pot is legal in Washington.
You have to have a good
Got it.
image out there.
You don't have to have a good image. Have you seen Jake Paul?
No.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Future employers are gonna watch these videos.
No, they're not. Oh, here we have the Steel
We're
Series.
unemployable.
Rival 300. It's the world's most precise gaming house. I don't think that's actually true. You know what? It's okay. Slicey's coming back. This is remarkably similar to my last mouse package.
Guest.
Guest star Schmiegel.
guest.
Hello there.
Schmiegel's up.
And now we pull. Actually, maybe we don't pull. I think we do. Oh, there's ones on this side too. There's always more tape. Boom. Boom. And
Oh.
look at this.
Oh, you gotta
We got a quick start guide.
throw it away.
Because using a mouse is too hard. And the big boy himself.
Need more feigned excitement. Whoa.
Insane!
Schmiegel, like,
Alright, that should be enough content.
yeah? Is that it?
I rate
Any
10
clue?
out of 10.